On May 27, 2025, a massive explosion rocked the Gaomi Youdao Chemical Co plant in Weifang, Shandong Province, China. This devastating event resulted in at least 5 confirmed deaths, 19 injuries, and 6 individuals still missing. The blast was so powerful that it shattered windows up to 3 kilometers away, and the shockwaves were felt as far as 7 kilometers from the site. The chemical plant, which specializes in producing pesticides and medical chemicals, had previously been cited for safety violations. In 2024, the plant addressed over 800 safety hazards, but the explosion has raised serious concerns about industrial safety in China's chemical sector. Emergency teams, including over 230 firefighters and rescue workers, were dispatched to the site immediately after the explosion. Despite their efforts, the cause of the explosion is still under investigation. The impact of the blast also caused significant damage to nearby homes, schools, and infrastructure. Residents living within a wide radius of the explosion zone were quickly evacuated. In some areas, schools were closed, and students were advised to wear protective masks due to fears of toxic exposure from the blast. Environmental authorities are conducting tests to check for any chemical leaks or hazardous substances in the surrounding area. This explosion highlights the ongoing risks of industrial accidents in China, especially in the chemical industry. As the investigation continues, officials have vowed to improve safety protocols and prevent such tragedies in the future. The event serves as a tragic reminder of the importance of stringent safety measures in high-risk industries. We will continue to monitor the situation for updates.